Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today we'll be taking a quick look at some of my costumes that I've made over the years, starting with some of the oldest and going up to my newer ones like the Dilophosaurus, Indoraptor, and Troodon, Pectinodon. But in my early years I would make costumes like this guy here. This is a spinosaurus head. The rest of the body is pretty simple, like just a suit and tail and fin, and then this is like a rideable Tyrannosaurus, and here's the Indominus Rex. So I started giving the heads more elevation. Some of my early works like the Albertosaurus and the Coelophysis here, they have a flatter type head where I just stuffed this fabric around a oval piece of cardboard. But then it really started evolving into, three-dimensional shapes. And these ones here, the Proceratosaurus and the Troodon, those were for, I think, Spirit Day at school, back in grade 2 or 3. So I was quite young. We even got this little Dilophosaurus right here that I had as a shoulder pet one Christmas. I was a time-traveling biologist, so that was pretty fun. And then that raptor right there was kind of like a ragdoll for the Albertosaurus. So yeah, these are, I think this is all of them, all of my dinosaur costumes throughout the years. I might do longer videos on individual ones, but besides that, they're pretty fun to create, and I'm glad to have made them as, I've gained practice and experience with making costumes and learned from previous builds and whatnot. And my most recent one I'm very proud of. I'll do a video on that. I have a few posts on Instagram. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.